Hey everyone! Welcome back to Caffeinated Money. If you're new here, I'm Mike, and I make videos about finance, investing, and tech. Today, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to ask an AI, specifically OpenAI's ChatGPT, to pick 10 investment stocks for us. Now, remember, this is just for fun and should not be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Let's get started. Before we get started, go ahead and smash that like button. Also hit that red subscribe button, it helps me out know what you like. Alright, so here we are on the OpenAI website. Let's start a new conversation with ChatGPT. Interesting. ChatGPT has suggested these 10 stocks. Let's take a closer look at each one. Royal Bank of Canada. Ticker RY.TO. RBC is one of the largest and most established Canadian banks, with a strong track record of financial stability. It has a diversified business model, including retail banking, wealth management, and capital markets, which helps mitigate risks. RBC's consistent dividends and history of returning value to shareholders make it an attractive option for income-focused investors. Enbridge Incorporated. Ticker ENB.TO. Enbridge is a leading energy infrastructure company with a vast network of pipelines, storage facilities, and renewable energy assets. Its essential role in transporting oil and gas across North America provides a stable source of revenue. Enbridge's long-term contracts and regulated assets contribute to predictable cash flows and dividend payments. Toronto Dominion Bank. Ticker TD.TO. TD Bank is known for its strong retail banking presence in Canada and the United States. Its diversified business lines, including retail banking, commercial banking, and wealth management, offer revenue stability. TD Bank's prudent risk management practices and focus on customer service have contributed to its consistent performance. Shopify Inc. Ticker Shop.TO. Shopify is a rapidly growing e-commerce platform that empowers businesses to establish and manage online stores. The shift towards e-commerce and its innovative solutions have driven impressive revenue and user growth. Shopify's subscription-based model and expanding ecosystem position it well for continued growth in the e-commerce space. Canadian National Railway Company. Ticker CNR.TO. CN Rail is a major player in the transportation of goods across North America, benefiting from trade and commodity movements. Its extensive rail network, efficient operations, and diverse customer base contribute to stable cash flows. CN Rail's role in the supply chain makes it an essential infrastructure company with long-term growth potential. Barrick Gold Corporation. Ticker ABX.TO. Barrick Gold is one of the largest gold mining companies globally, providing exposure to the precious metals market. Gold often acts as a hedge against economic uncertainty, making Barrick Gold a potential safe haven investment. The company's focus on cost management and operational efficiency contributes to profitability even in volatile gold price environments. Brookfield Asset Management Incorporated. Ticker BAM.TO. Brookfield is a global alternative asset manager with expertise in real estate, infrastructure, renewable energy, and more. Its diversified portfolio and hands-on approach to asset management have resulted in consistent returns. Brookfield's ability to identify undervalued assets and create value through active management makes it an attractive choice for investors seeking exposure to alternative investments. Alimentation Couche-Tard Inc. Ticker ATD.B.TO. Couche-Tard is a convenience store operator with a strong global presence. Its steady customer traffic, focus on convenience, and potential for cross-selling create a resilient business model. The company's growth strategy includes acquisitions and expanding into new markets, which could contribute to future revenue growth. TELUS Corporation. Ticker T.TO. TELUS is a major Canadian telecommunications company with a robust wireless and broadband business. Its role in providing essential communication services positions TELUS well for stable cash flows. TELUS's investments in network infrastructure and focus on customer service contribute to its competitive edge. Fortis Incorporated. Ticker FTS.TO. Fortis is a utility company with a focus on electricity and gas distribution. Its regulated assets and essential services make it a defensive stock choice, suitable for risk-averse investors. Fortis's stable dividends and predictable earnings contribute to its appeal as a dividend income stock. Well, there you have it. Those are the 10 stocks that ChatGPT suggested. Remember, this is just a fun experiment and not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey there, money makers. That's it for today's deep dive into the world of finance. I hope you found picking stocks insightful and valuable. Remember, the key to financial success is knowledge, and that's what we're all about here at Caffeinated Money. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends who might also be interested in growing their wealth. Your support helps us create more content like this. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss out on our future videos. We've got a lot more financial insights and stock market tips coming your way. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. What was your biggest takeaway from today's video? Do you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. So, keep learning, stay invested, and let's make that money work for us. Until next time, this is Mike, signing off from Caffeinated Money. Stay savvy, money makers.